for this video, I'm going to be using some things from the Dollar Tree. I do have my brayer, but some texture things from the Dollar Tree. One is a silicone scraper and a silicone brush. I have these, which are called fraction circles. They are fun foam fraction circles, so they're 27 pieces or 37 pieces, 27 pieces, and they're all different sizes. So, you know, you break them up, use them for texture. Use them as stamps because see how thick they are? They're great. Then I've got some texture plates. These were rubbing plates that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. They have this positive side or negative side, and then you've got the positive impression on this side. So you can get, you know, different impressions depending on which texture plate you use. So I have a piece of paper underneath the plastic on my desk so I know where to work because I'm doing 8.5 by 11 and this is a 12 by 12 plate. I'm going to use a mix of paints from Master's Touch, Deco Arts Media, and then that's going to be sort of a blend of what I'm going to use today. I also have some golden fluids that I might use, but that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you on time lapse, and I'll come back in at different things and I'll show you what I'm doing. But I'm just going to put a thin layer of paint on my jelly plate. And if I'm working, the first layers are going to be translucent. So I'm going to use a pretty translucent paint. And then I'll work up to working with my more opaque paints. And these have a little bit, I don't know why, but these seem to be a little satiny in the colors and pearlescence. But I have 3 different colors of that, which is ocean green, Persian red, and titanium white. I also have, this is quinacridone magenta, cobalt teal hue, cobalt turquoise hue, and then I've got golden fluid acrylics in quinacridone magenta and yellow medium, because I don't know how to pronounce that. So let's get going.